Plan Jericho is very exciting for us. The Chief of Air Force is going to announce this initiative at the Avalon Air Show in the early new year. For us, that's a very exciting opportunity of bringing in these fifth generation platforms into the Royal Australian Air Force and more broadly into the ADF, and providing that connectivity. It's great to have these new platforms, but they need to work together as a fifth generation force.
So Plan Jericho is a path forward for Australia to integrate the forces that exist and the future forces that are coming online. The challenges that there will be in an undertaking of that nature are that you have cultural barriers, you have older systems that need to be integrated with newer systems, and bringing that all together and training the force on how to best use those systems to optimize the capability that will bring.
Picture, if you will, 2030 Australian Defence Force. From the Royal Australian Air Force's perspective, they will have F-35s, they will still have Growlers, MRTT tankers, Triton, high altitude, long endurance, unmanned aerial systems. They will have tactical UAVs. They will have their Wedgetail, AEW and C. All of those will be operating. And Plan Jericho, a plan essentially to break down the walls between those systems.
I think the Triton unmanned system is especially well suited to Australian requirements for a range of reasons. Firstly, Australia participated in the development of the system. I've been around long enough now to recall the contribution that Australia made leading up to the decision to acquire the Northrop Grumman Triton system by the US Navy.
The F-35 is absolutely going to be a game changer for the Australian Defence Force. As Air Marshal Brown has said, he needs the F-35 to break down a lot of barriers between these isolated systems, and he sees the F-35 as this fifth generation platform that needs to connect all these other pieces in order for them to fight effectively in this generation and the next.
The Navy's vision for our system is a complementary capability, a manned-unmanned teaming type of operation. The Australian Defence Force gets to leverage what our US Navy has done to date. So we have a plug-and-play system that's capable of just moving into how the Australian Defence Force operates.
I think Plan Jericho, at the end of the day, is the single biggest opportunity that we all have to help create a partnership between countries like Australia and the United States, such that Australia grows a new capability in the next generation that is more affordable, it's more interoperable, and it can continue to be trusted. The information that is used within that integrated system is known to be safe and accurate and not subject to some kind of cyber penetration.